welcome to Chinese Cooking with Jie. I'm Jie.
And I'm Len.
And today we cook the beef and potato and tomato. Okay.
Looks beautiful.
Yeah. Smell good too.
So we're going to go out in the kitchen. Gia is going to go ahead and show us how to make this. And we'll be back in just a couple minutes.
Alright. See you later.
Bye for now.
Hi, welcome to Chinese Cooking with Jie. I'm Jie.
And I'm Len.
Today we cook the beef and potato and tomato. The beef with the color seed, I use the water soaking long time and just take out the blood out.
Okay.
So the white. And they use some tomato and potato. And this is new potato, so I know take the peeler out. Have the peeler and it tastes good. So right now I cook the first. Use some oil. Just some, not very much.
Is that just for the bottom of the pan?
Yes, just light the see, or little, just
Okay.
light the bottom. We need the oil hot. We use the
Dried chilies.
right, and this A-star. The people use
Oh yeah, it's the I've lost my mind. I know what that is.
they say it's a A-star.
It's star star anise is what we call it. Star anise.
Okay, and use this one. See this one
Okay.
is
Oh, the prickly ash. Oh, good. Prickly ash.
yes, and have some wood.
This is the cinnamon. This is cinnamon bark. Real good stuff.
Okay, with the oil hot. Take it out. Go the oil.
Well, that's gonna smell good right away.
Yes. Let them in the oil have a taste.
He's gonna add the flavors.
That's all the flavor in there.
So is this Chinese cooking or is this Gia style?
And the Jie style.
Okay.
And the Chinese them cook the no use this one. No use them just use some this one. Use this one. And later have some put it there. Some no use.
We usually like foods that are a little bit more warm.
Yeah, need how the taste in there. You could smell it, right?
Not yet. Again, I'm too far away.
Yeah.
Usually about a minute after you start cooking, I start smelling.
Oh,
Ooh, got some oil on you?
yeah, little is okay.
Sure.
No hurt. Just a little. All right, take this one, go there. Because
Now, what do you have here?
yeah, and have the green onion, ginger, and the garlic.
I couldn't see.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, there you go. Green onion, ginger, and garlic. Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Smell it. You can smell right now, huh?
Yeah, now I can smell.
I've moved a lot of water.
Yeah, she tries to drain out as much of the blood from meat as possible, even with beef.
Yeah.
Oh, it smells really good.
Yeah. All the and the smell together very good.
Yeah.
And then we use some soy sauce. Oh.
Uh-oh. Just need to watch that later.
Yeah.
And you can use low salt soy sauce or low sodium soy sauce if you don't want to use the regular.
And there's a cooker wine.
Right, Chinese cooking wine.
Yes. And soy sauce is probably 4 tablespoons. And cooking wine 4 tablespoons too.
Okay. You can use less if you want.
Yeah. And this one is the color is deep.
Mushroom flavored dark soy sauce. Ooh,
Right.
that should be good. That's thick too, isn't it? Do you have to shake it first?
This one just use 1 tablespoon is okay because this one that make the color dark.
Okay. Color dark. It's going to have a little mushroom taste.
Yes, a little.
Okay.
See, right now more color.
Yeah.
Color dark.
Yeah, you didn't need much for that at all.
Yes. And
Tomatoes first?
tomato.
Oh, okay. Those were 2 big tomatoes, right?
And the one.
Oh, that was just
big
one.
This one.
Oh, okay. I saw that we had 2.
Yes, but I see in the it's too big.
Okay.
The one is not.
1 big tomato.
Very big.
Wow. Smells good. Okay, so back to stirring.
Right. And if you like, you can cut the tomato smell is good, but later how to smell. Okay, right now we will put some hot water in there.
Okay. Hot water.
Right, hot water.
And you're pretty much just covering it.
Right, just cover.
You're not trying to put more than...
No much, just cover it is okay.
Okay.
And right now we will put the
Potatoes go in later?
later. I will need to cook the beef 1 hour. And we need to make the boiling.
Okay.
And if boiling, we will turn off to half. 1 hour. 1 hour.
Okay.
Okay. And if 1 hour, take the potato, go to inside. With 1 hour, come back. Okay?
All right. Sounds good. Well, we'll see you in an hour then.
No, right now I need a boiling.
Yeah.
Okay, just 1 hour, come back. It's okay.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. See you later.
See you later.
Bye for now.
Goodbye. We'll come back. And right now, we put the potato to the inside.
Okay, so it's been 1 hour.
Yeah. And put it inside. And then make hot.
Okay.
Make a high. And put some salt. Probably half spoon.
About a half, maybe a little bit more.
Yeah.
Tablespoon of salt.
Yeah. Used. This one use 1 tablespoon. It's okay. We just do this one and make it all the soft. Just turn it off.
So you've got it on high.
Right, and high need the burning.
Okay.
And burning that turned 5 is okay.
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 So you need about another half hour after
Right.
it starts boiling.
Yes.
Okay, so we'll see you
See you later.
later.
Okay.
Okay. Bye for now.
Bye for now. Welcome back. And right now I is turned off, and this is still burning, but right now it's done.
Hot.
Yeah. Last part, and 就是
Oyster sauce.
yes, one tablespoon is okay.
1 or 2.
One is
One is okay.
one is okay, right?
I think I've just told everybody I like oyster sauce.
Yeah, you can use it too. You can use it too. 1, 2 is so good. Everything good. Okay, and we just.
So, you know, Gia, what you've done is you've made beef stew.
Big stew.
Beef stew.
Stew.
Right.
There's a beef stew.
But it's Chinese Gia style.
Yes.
That's good. This is just another way of making stew. This is good. Looks good. Smells good.
Yeah. Tastes good.
I'm sure it will. Mazakine right now wants to come play with the light.
Yeah. More sugar for tomorrow.
There you go.
For the sugar for the tomorrow, very good. And this one is cilantro and have some and green onion.
All mixed up, okay?
Yeah.
Cilantro and green onion.
Yes. Cilantro and the green onion together. If you like a shoe, you have some shoe. Okay. Hot. All right.
That looks good. Very, very good.
Smell good.
Can we eat now?
Yes.
All right.
Go eat.
See you in just a couple minutes.
All right. See you later.
Bye for now.
Welcome back. And we cook it instead. Right now, see? And have a potato and the beef, tomato, with cilantro.
And a little bit of green onion.
Right. And a little bit green onion, I just like.
Okay. Sounds good. Well, shall we?
All right.
To us, together forever.
Mwah. Love it.
Love you too.
3,
4.
5.
No. Not gonna do that.
Okay.
So go ahead.
Water.
Not water. Well, there's some water in there.
Yeah.
Just waiting for you.
Oh, thank you.
Well, I can't tell you how good this smells.
Okay.
Oh, lots of beef in there.
Yeah.
Trying to get some of the other vegetables.
Oh
yeah, I see that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Take it out.
If you see things like this, take them out.
Right.
They are going to. They're good for seasoning the food, but they're not so good in your mouth.
Before we have the little box, to take it, go to the little box in there, and the cooking is good. But I know funny in it.
Oh, well, that's all right. Well, let's go ahead and dig in and see how this goes. I've got enough to try.
Go ahead.
Is it okay?
Push that.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
This is really, really hot right now, too.
Yeah, we're hot. Good?
That is great. That is really, really great.
Good, I like it. How do you look?
We don't usually put too much star anise in our foods, and we also don't put, usually, well, not that I know of anyway, you don't hear of people cooking with cinnamon with meat and some of the other things that you've made too. So this is the second time I've seen you use cinnamon with the food, and it's really good.
Normally, I find no use of cinnamon and make it in there more time. Use the water more time. I use it.
You really have to watch for those things.
Before I have this little ball, oven I could see to go to inside.
A spice ball.
I know fun, so just
Well,
use it.
Considering how small the kitchen is and we keep moving things around all the time, I'm not surprised.
Yes.
Well, do you want to go ahead and call this a day and we'll finish eating in a little bit?
Yes.
All right. Well, thanks for swinging by today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Go ahead, hit the notification bell if you want. Subscribe so that you'll know when we send out some more
Yes.
videos. And what would you like to add to today?
And I hope people you can smell and can eat. And then if you no like it too dark, don't use the deep soy sauce.
Don't use the very, very dark
Just
soy.
use very little, have tasting. Okay? And then you don't like very much soup, don't put too much water. I like it so.
Yeah, and it's fine because with the rice will soak it up. You get the flavors with that too.
Yeah, and if you use the soup, you have more soup. You can use the rice and the bread. You can use the soup to make more noodles. It's very good.
Noodles, yeah, and if you had something like French toast or French bread, or sourdough bowl, something like that, this would go really good with that as well.
Right.
Okay,
All
so
right.
shall we say goodbye?
Yes. See you next time.
Bye for now.
Have a good day.
Thank
Have
you.
a good week. No,
Have a good
it's
week.
done. Week.
Have a good time.
Right, have a good time.
再见.
OK， 再见。Eat more.
Eat more food.
Yeah.
That's our words.
Yeah.
Eat more food. Everybody else says bon appetit. We say eat more food.
Yeah. The people good.